Good morning, everybody. How is everybody doing? I hope you guys are having a great Thursday so far. For those that have been awake and for those that are just waking up, happy Thursday, guys. Welcome to Thursday. How was everybody's session last night? I hope you guys had a great session for London session. For those that traded Asia session, hope you guys had a great session as well. And hey, it's time to kill it in the New York session, guys. New York session. Let's invite our Discord friends over. Your disk is almost full. Damn. Need to upgrade computer. Boom, YouTube. Alrighty. Alright, guys, so fundamentals first, right? First thing first, Forex Factory. It is currently 7 a.m. where I'm at, or 8 a.m. Eastern time, since we're going based off New York time. We have unemployment claims being released in 30 minutes. Previous unemployment came out at 201,000, and now we're forecasting unemployment to go up 13,000. And we have final GDP. It currently at a 2.1%, forecasted at 2.2%. So the GDP, it's the broadcast measure of economic activity and the primary gauge for the economy's health. It's the gross domestic product. That's what GDP stands for. For those that don't know, it's released quarterly, about 85 days after the quarter ends. So annualized, it measures the annualized change in the inflation adjusted value for all goods and services produced by the economy. Okay, so let's go back to the unemployment claims. For the past, the past unemployment claims have been actually bullish. Okay, that's pretty nice. So this one will probably be bullish as well for the US dollar. Although typically when unemployment goes up, we do see price in dollar start to drop a little bit. Now let's go. We also have Fed Chairman Powell speaking today at 3 p.m., 4 p.m. Eastern time, and as those who know, of course, he's the head of central bank, and he controls the short-term interest rates. He has more influence over the nation's currency value than any other person. Traders scrutinize his public engagements as they are often used to drop subtle clues regarding future monetary policy. Okay. Now that we got that taken care of, let's go take a look at FinViz. FinViz, we have our indices performing. I guess there's not a lot of movement on the markets right now. Markets have been ranging. There's a lot of indecision as well, as we could see. S&P currently up 0.02%. Nasdaq currently up 0.22%, and Dow currently down almost a quarter of a percent. So negative 0.20%. Okay, let's go take a look at our Forex pairs as well. One moment, guys. Sorry guys, I got a little distracted. Um, all right, let's see anybody. Oh, let me go over here. Welcome everybody. Grand Rising. All right. Now let's go take a look at So okay, forex pairs. Now we have here Euro USD bullish, GBP USD bullish, AUD USD bullish, NZD USD bullish, USD CAD bearish, USD CHF bearish, and USD JPY bearish. So our US dollar isn't performing too well today. It is being outbeaten by its other pairs. Let's go take a look at investing.com. Damn, somebody just pissed me off. Sorry, guys. Okay, let's go here to indices. We have US 30 currently up about 0.20%. S&P 500 currently up 0.02%, and Dow Jones currently down 0.20%. So the news is correlating with FOREX.com. And now, guys, the moment of truth, technical analysis. Let's go take a look at our technicals. I did see, before I went and saw the fundamentals first, well, when I wake up, I always like to look at price on gold and see where gold is at. So I see what I missed out on London session. I do have buy stops set right above 1877, like right around here. We are in this range at the moment. Dude, this is I can't with this Wi-Fi. It's so slow. I need my tools. I don't know if it's because my computer is like almost full or... No, look, there it is. Alright, so this is yesterday's trade. Oh, okay, so this is my range that I have at the moment, right? Whoa. Live local request stop because you're out of this page. No way. Alright, I think I'm still live. Perfect, I'm still live. Okay, now we have here one moment, guys. I'm trying to figure something out on my computer because I don't want you guys to get interrupted while we're trading. So let me see something real quick. Alright, guys, so as I was saying, I'm sorry guys, I lost my train of thought. So as I was saying, I do have buy stop set right here above 1877, so that's like right around here, so 1878. Now obviously we're gonna wait 49 minutes for the 4-hour candle closure, and I would like for the 4-hour candle closure to close above this range, right? But this is a nice clean range. I like the buys, guys. I like the buys. Now you have to understand why I like the buys, right? We dropped 500 pips yesterday, so we must retrace after a 500 pip drop. Now I'm not saying we're going to 100% guaranteed, right? That's the risk, but we also have this trend line to retest. Now also another thing, we're trading at 1877. The last time we were at this level was March, when we broke out of this level. If we focus on this area, 1880, right? We see breakout over here. We're trading right underneath it. Breakout of that area, breakout of this area. Then we started trading right underneath it as well. We traded underneath it over here right before we decided to break out of that area. Over here we rejected that area, and over here we traded on that area as well. So 1880 is a strong area. Now, will we see gold continue to drop, or will we see some type of retracement? We're already starting to break market structure. Well, we've been bearish for the past months on gold off the daily time frame, but will we start to see a retracement to the upside, right? So we can possibly capitalize off of that retracement. Now let's take a look at the daily as well. The daily already opened. There's 8 hours left for the daily to close. We already created a bottom wick. Let me see. Let me make sure. Yep, we already created a bottom wick as well, guys. So we could expect, hopefully, price can break out of those previous highs. Candle highs, current candle highs, and we should be good and see a nice bullish run for the day. Let's take a look at the weekly, how the weekly is looking. The weekly, we're seeing bearish engulfing candle. That trend line was strong, guys. That trend line was where we could have gotten the sells, but I missed out on those sells, and I decided to take buys underneath over here, like right around the middle of this candle. We all know how that went. Stop loss hit on that trade, but let's see, guys. Let's be patient today. Over here we have clean channels to the downside. Look at that channel, man. So let's see what we could see. Let's see what happens for the next 40 minutes, guys. I'll be waiting for the 4-hour candle closure. So like I said, we're not gonna get impulsive. I think lately we've been doing a good job not getting impulsive with our trades. We've been losing them after being patient, we only lost 2 trades yesterday, and then we won the other day along with the other days as well. So it's been a nice couple days, nice week so far. Let's go take a look at the DXY. See how the DXY is performing. DXY, we're seeing bearish movement. So what? Oh no, this is off the 4-hour candle. Yeah, okay, so this is okay. So this is today. Now, after seeing this, right, and seeing gold consolidating, now this makes me feel comfortable with the buys as well. Now I want to continue to see that bearish movement. I want to see us reject this 106.350 area and continue, or trade at least underneath it. If we create a range here, right, it's okay, but as long as we're trading underneath the trend line, we should be good for the buys on gold and good for a DXY sell-off. Let's go to the daily. Let's see how the daily is looking on DXY. Daily is so far trading with this trend line, but we're starting to break out of it. And like the trend line that we have from the weekly time frame, we must retest that trend line. Although it seems like we've been trading on it, but we could retest it still a little bit more, just like we did here, over here, right? Get those touches, get those trend line taps. So as you can see, there's still room for a retracement. Now let's go take a look at NASDAQ, see how NASDAQ is performing. Nasdaq. Has Nasdaq just been ranging since yesterday? This was a trade idea, yesterday's trade idea on Nasdaq. It ended up playing out, but not for us on New York session. It ended up playing out later throughout the day. Let's go here. Let's adjust this. Okay, let's go. We're also in this daily range at the moment, so let's see if we get a breakout on either side of that range, right? Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, that range is also valid. We've also been respecting that trend line, so it's going with the trend line. So we could expect possible continuation to the downside on Nasdaq, but we'll be patient with that. We'll wait for a breakout to happen to either side. We're also sort of squeezing down with this triangle pattern. So let's see. We got 43 minutes left for the 4-hour candle closure. So let's go back to gold. I will be analyzing gold more just because I feel like it's more rewarding for now, considering where it's trading. Guys, 1877 where we're trading, it's currently a great level to buy. You know, for those people who like to swing accounts or to swing their trades, guys, low lot size. I'm currently in gold buys, you know, on two personal accounts that I put money in the live broker, and I'm just flipping that. You know, I just have my positions there, and I just want to hold it until, you know, we reach that 1900 level, 1950 level again. And you guys, it's just rewarding. You know, when you're swinging these trades, the risk to reward is there to the upside. You know, hypothetically speaking, let's say the dollar continues to melt and it does what it should be doing, right? Gold will just continue to go to the upside, and we could see we've already tested record highs before. If we go to the monthly, on the monthly, I'm still bullish until we don't start to break market structure to the downside, which would be this 1850 level. If we break 1850 level on the 1850 area on the monthly time frame, we will be breaking market structure, and we could see bearish movement off of gold. But this is like that 18 right around there. All right, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. But look at how clean that range is. So I'll be waiting for the buys to play out, and if the sells play out and they're valid, and if we got multiple confluences, we could take the sells as well. Just there's not at least on the buy side, we can retrace all of this. So we have 12 minutes till live unemployment report comes out, guys. 12 minutes. Tiene dueño, dice que no tiene dueño. Are you guys in any trades at the moment? Are you guys in any trades at the moment? Comment down in the comment section if you guys are in any trades. Nasdaq, US 30, gold, GJ, Euro USD. Let me know if you're in any trades. Curious. I'm currently for the New York session. I'm not in any trades at the moment for this session. We're just currently waiting for the 4-hour candle to close. We should be getting a trade soon though, guys, so stay tuned if you guys are waiting for a trade. I'm just waiting for this range for price to break out to either side, right? But more importantly, off the 4-hour time frame. Hey, what up, Captain Kai? I know it's you, Kai, but I don't know why I like reading the names and stuff. I think I like Captain Kai more than El Kai. El Kai. Let me put this on focus so that we don't get any disturbance today. Caught GJ buys at that demand. Let's see. Oh wait. No, I don't think it was yesterday. Over here at the bottom, 181. Wait, were you where? I think it was AJ. I'm not sure if it was you. Or did you catch this yesterday? If you caught GJ down here at the bottom, that was nice, brother. Nice trade. From 181 all the way to 182. It's 100 pips, right? Yeah, 100 pips. You trade GJ in New York session, or do you trade it in London session? Oh, one thing I dislike about 100 with 0.02 lots. Hello, nice. Profits are profits, brother. Dude, one thing I hate about being in like the farm or the field and stuff like that is the mosquitoes, bro. God, these mosquitoes are unbearable. Like bit and all that. Both New York and London. How do you like GJ in London session? I mean, how do you like GJ in New York session? Is it nice? Take a look at Nasdaq real quick. I haven't looked at US 30 in so long. Still getting used to New York. New York is nice. I love New York. New York section is so awesome. When I went to New York, I even fell in love with New York section even more. I prefer London though. Yeah, for GJ, I think I prefer London too. That's why I tell everybody, like, depending on the pair you trade, like gold. Why trade gold in London session, or like in Asian session? It's better to trade gold New York session. That's where you'll see the best volume for gold. Although we did see, let me see London session. No, yeah, London session was rangy for gold, but on London session we did see Nasdaq drop a shit ton of pips, which is weird. I think there was probably news. Let me see. See what type of news there was last night. So German CPI, Spanish CPI, that shouldn't have impacted Nasdaq. And we have news being released in 4 minutes: GDP and unemployment claims. Go over here. What is this? 1878. All right, got a signal ready. Where are we? Okay, here. What up, Borja? Welcome, welcome. Hey man, good luck today. I'm new to this capital. What assets do you recommend I trade at the beginning? I'm new to this with low capital. So, Borja, what I always like to recommend people, or what I always like to tell people, right, is what do you have any experience with like any market whatsoever, right? Like any experience trading, or is this your first time trading? Like, are you completely new to trading? You have different markets, right? You have the stock market, you have the forex market, you have the crypto market, um, and then within stocks you have indices that you could trade. Within forex you have metals, commodities, you have your currency pairs, right? When I first started trading with low capital, I started with like penny stocks. I then did options, and then I went to forex, and then I fell in love with forex, and ever since then I've been a forex trader, right? I specialize in forex, and my main pair that I specialize in is gold, XAUUSD. Um, Sometimes I'll trade indices like Nasdaq, right? Nas 100, but with low capital, you can get into any market. It's just the market that you're most comfortable with and that you can stay fundamentally updated with, right? If you're gonna trade the stock market, make sure you're staying up to date with the fundamentals on the stock market. Make sure if you're trading a pair like gold, make sure you're staying updated with the fundamentals, like on the US dollar, what's going on with the US dollar, like unemployment being released today. That's why we're here live streaming early as well, so we can know what's going on with the unemployment, know what's going on with like the country's monetary policies, right? Like what is the Federal Reserve saying about the US dollar? Where are the elections? So if you want, ask. It all depends on the asset that you like the most. I can't really recommend you one because I have a bias. Like I said, I like gold, and Oh, the unemployment was just released. I like gold. So guys, I'm looking. Let's see how the news reacts, guys. I just sent out buy stops on gold. Let's see. If we saw that rejection over here at the bottom of the range, we should be good for the buys. But so far we're just ranging and we haven't been triggered with the buy stop. Hopefully it can wait for 29 minutes for the 4-hour candle closure. Of course, brother. Um, Keep focus, yes, sir. And definitely tune in with us every day, brother. We're here 8 a.m. Eastern time till 10 a.m. Eastern time every day, Monday through Friday. New York session. And Borja, if you want, bro, feel free to reach out via Instagram or Discord. So I can give you a couple more tips so you can get started with no issues and have a good understanding of the markets. It's just reach out. I got you, brother. It'll be free. Don't expect to pay anything, or I know there's a lot of people that like to charge for advice and things like that. That's not me. I'm completely open and transparent with the markets, and I like making it as easy as possible for newbies coming in the markets. Just because, um, you know, I remember. I mean, to be honest with you, I never paid for like a mentorship. I never paid for course because a very good friend of mine was already like good at forex trading. So I had the luxury that I had a very close friend put me on to the forex world. Well, I actually did pay for a mentorship, but it was when I was trading stocks. When I first started getting into trading, I did pay for a mentorship with another friend, but again, he didn't charge me like what he was normally charging people. So I was very fortunate to have those types of friends already in the trading industry. So that helps. That the reason why I'm so like considerate and thoughtful when it comes to new beginners is because I want people to experience how I experience trading, right? Especially when they're learning. Learning doesn't have to be about losing money and dreadful and time consuming, and it should be fun. It should be that learning process should be fun. So I like sharing the same type of experience that I had when I was learning with others. All right, guys, I am triggered on those gold buys, guys. I did get triggered at 1878 250. Let's go over here. Entry price 1878 250. And then stop loss will be, I think I put my stop loss at 1875.5. 1875.5. All right, and my TP is at 1885. a nice 1 to 2.5 trade. We should be good. Let's see how it goes, guys. Hey, Fax Kai, thank you, brother. Like the stream. Sure, I try to learn as much as possible for free, but I don't have people around me to share this with, and sometimes it's difficult. Borgia, reach out to me, brother. Reach out to me. Shoot me a DM via Instagram, or Discord, and I'll send you a couple. I'll send you the resources that I use to learn how to trade for free. And those resources, you could apply it to the Forex market, you could apply it to the crypto market, and you could also apply it to the stock market. And then we can, we can go over every market and see what's different about them and what may suit you better. I got you, brother. Just shoot me a DM so I know who you are. And like I said, I'll give you everything you need so you can get started and trade and learn how to trade for free. Just shoot me a DM. Let's see how this gold trade goes. We should be good. We have 23 minutes left for the candle closure. Let's go take a look at the report, how it came out. Where is it? Right here. Let's refresh. Oh, okay. So, unemployment claims. Thanks, man. I appreciate it, of course. So, unemployment claims came out at 204,000. Only went up 2,000. They forecasted 214,000. So that's good for the U.S. dollar. Final GDP came out at 2.1%, same as the previous report. And what else do we have? And the final GDP came out at 1.7%, underneath the forecasted 2%. So this number is important, 204,000. But we're not seeing, it's not too bullish for gold. So let's see how we do. Let's see how we do, guys. Currently down 2 pips. Yeah. "21 minutes. Let's see if we get that candle closure right above this range. We should be good with this trade. If not, I will be looking to manage my risk and probably cut some losses no matter where it's at, depending on where we get a 4-hour candle closure. I do like how we're respecting previous lows though. So, but we need those lows to stay respected for price to stay bullish. But right now we are counter trend trading as well, so it is riskier. That's why I only went in with 5 lots on a 100K account on the challenges. All right, let's go here. Patience. Should be good. Not too scared about that trade. And then Nasdaq is respecting this trend line again. Not bad. Nas. What is this? Let's see the risk reward here. A 1 to 3 trade. The trade could be nice. 19 minutes left. Sorry, my bad. So close from our stop loss. It's right there currently. One, two. It's about to hit it. Let's see how we. Let's see what type of candle closure we get. I don't like this rejection that we're seeing here though. 1878 rejected that level. 2 pips away from stop loss. 3 pips away from stop loss. Oh shit. Let's see if it closes me out. Sometimes spreads be annoying, guys. Spreads be taking you out. Hey, why is my MetaTrader frozen, man? I don't even. Oh, okay, fire. It hasn't taken me out, guys. So I'm currently risking 1.5% on this trade. Still in this trade, guys. Haven't been taken out. Okay, now I was definitely taken out. Yep. Let's see what price decides to do, guys. Hopefully, well, I really don't see gold selling off, to be honest with you. I see us respecting this range, especially those previous lows over here at the bottom. Let me put here. I see us respecting these lows over here at the bottom. So I don't see us bearish. What's up, dollar? How are you, sir? Bro, we're playing phone tag with one another. I call you, you call me. I call you, you call me. But I just noticed you called right now at 7:30. We were watching the news get released. Stop loss just hit. Stop loss smashed. But damn, it's been a rough couple of days lately, low key, on with gold. I've been counter trend trading. That's what happens when you counter trend trade, guys. It's risky, but at the end of the day, like I said, the risk reward is there for me. I'd much rather buy than sell. But obviously, if the sells are valid, then I'll take the sells. But let's see how we trade. I probably won't be looking for any more trades today, just because I have a rule with myself, guys. I have a rule in my trading plan, and it says if I lose 3 times in a row, stop trading. So also I did lose. For yesterday I lost 1%, and the previous trade I had lost 1%. So with this losing trade, it's another 1.5%. So I did go over 0.5% that I allow myself to lose. So I will be taking a break at least for today with trades. And guys, you have to respect your trading plan, guys. Your trading plan is key. I'm very transparent when it comes to that. It's trading is not just about winning. It's not about wins only, but it's also about losses as well. So depending on how you handle your losses, and if you can respect your plan, then your trading will go great, right? Damn, look at gold. And even for the sells right now, we could take the sells, right? But right now, especially since I didn't wait for the 4-hour candle closure, 4-hour candle closure closes in 14 minutes. I definitely want to see what price will be doing for the next couple 13 minutes. Let's see. Be careful, guys. Be careful. What's up, buddy? I miss you, buddy. Hope all is well with you, dollar. Boys about to have a blessing real soon. A blessing sent from God. Look at gold respecting this range. We're just trading in this range, guys. This range is really. This range we could also just range for the next couple hours until Fed Chairman Powell speaks. And guys, even though I won't be trading today, calling any trades today, I still will be live streaming Fed Chairman Powell speaking at 3 p.m. So definitely tune in, guys. If you guys want to know more, understand more on like the fundamentals on the U.S. dollar and see where the U.S. dollar is headed, definitely tune in. We will be watching and hearing Fed Chairman Powell speaking. As a matter of fact, let me put my alarm for 2 p.m. in case I'm doing something else, so I can be ready for Fed Chairman Powell. Alright, alarm is set. 3 p.m. Bam. Alright, we're seeing a little bit of indecision there from gold. Is anybody like looking for any trades so we can analyze that now that we're not looking for any trades on my end? Ten minutes left for that 4-hour candle closure. Dude, is gold just gonna keep melting? Let's go to the weekly. There's 1 day left for the weekly candle closes. That weekly candle is so bearish, man. With so much momentum. We could possibly tap 1865. If we tap 1865, and this week what I'm also seeing, it's kind of like a bearish trap that we're seeing, right? We're trapping we could just be trapping all the bearish sellers, right? And then fake them out, and then banks could be getting a better entry down here at the bottom to then trade to the upside, and then we could start to see that bullish move that we've been anticipating on all markets, right? Let's take a look at NASDAQ as well. NASDAQ We've been bullish for the past couple months, as we've been seeing, and now we're starting to see breakouts to the downside, right? But the Nasdaq market is also expected to have sell-off as well for the next couple months. But the question is, when will we start to see that sell-off? We're already starting to see sell-off start to play out, right? Right here, we started to see breakout. We respected previous highs, previous weekly highs, and monthly highs, all-time highs. We couldn't reach that level, and we failed to break out of that level. So also, if we take a look at the DXY, in the DXY, we've also been. Oh, look at that! I think we're starting to see. We saw that we were bullish. We were bearish earlier for a London session, I believe, on or pre-New York. Pre-New York, we were bearish on the DXY, and then the news came out, and it's positive for the dollar. But regardless, guys, back to what I was saying, right? We've been bullish for the past couple weeks and months, almost for the whole year. So how much higher will the dollar go, right? We should start to see that bearish movement. But let's see, guys. Guys, I'm gonna call it a live stream here, since I won't be taking any more trades, and I will be going over my trades and giving a breakdown on why I took my trades. So I'll try to send that over right now. The news was already released. Unemployment didn't go up much. It just went up 2,000 more than what was anticipated. Than previous month. So guys, be careful trading today. Happy trading day. I'll see you guys at 4 p.m. Eastern time for Fed Chairman Powell, guys. So peace out, guys. Let's finish the broadcast.